Hello guys, Rachel here of Archaeologist. Today, we're gonna do the short unboxing and also reviewing the Kingston NV3 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD. Let's do the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the Kingston NV3 M.2 Gen 4 SSD and nothing else. Let's go through specifications and features. The Kingston NV3 has dimensions of 22 by 80 by 2.3 mm with a weight of 7 grams. The Kingston NV3 is a PCIe Gen 4 by 4 SSD that still has the same looks as the NV2 with its signature blue PCB. This also indicates that this SSD is for the masses, as the looks don't matter but performance does. The Kingston NV3 has 4 storage capacities, 500 gigs, 1 TB, 2 TB, and the upcoming 4 TB, and uses 3D QLC NAND. The labeling is just made from a simple plastic sticker and can be easily removed. Once removed, you can see the controller, which is the Silicon Motion SM2268XT2. It is a DRAM-less controller, but it has an HMB support. The flash chips used are from Kioxia, a 162-layer 3D QLC NAND. Each chip has a capacity of 1 TB. Since it's a 2 TB, so it has 2 flash chips. There's nothing much to talk about as this is a budget SSD. So let's install this and see the benchmark results. Let's install the SSD. Here are my final thoughts. The Kingston NV3 SSD is a really good performing SSD and a big upgrade from its predecessor, the Kingston NV2. Performance-wise, it really performs well and achieves speeds that were indicated on the box. Comparing with other DRAM-less SSDs, it is at the top. Temperatures are also better than the predecessor. It only shows how Kingston improves their SSDs, even though this is on the budget side. Though, the only problem for me is the 3-year warranty, which I think is due to using a QLC NAND and not a TLC NAND, as QLC doesn't last that long. Overall, the Kingston NV3 is a good low-power M.2 SSD that performs well, has a good pricing, and is good for those who are looking for SSDs with high storage capacity at a reasonable price. You can buy the Kingston NV3 2 TB for around 8,850 pesos at your nearest Kingston affiliated online and physical stores. I hope this video is informational for you. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. And see you in the next video.